everybody. I wanted to do some videos about each week of summer school so you guys would know what we were focusing on and how to use the resources that we are giving you to help your student. So you will be given a link to a OneNote notebook. This is the notebook that you will see as it comes up. On the first page is week 1 information or information. It has the standards we'll be working on each week. We'll be focusing on a different kind of writing style each week, even though the students won't be writing a lot on the retest. They will be answering questions about writing, so we're kind of focusing our attention on that. You'll also see the weekly warm-ups that we will be doing every day in class. They're all here for you. Here's the printout. You can print it, you can download it, however you want to use it. There are grammar practice websites for each week. We recommend spending maybe 20 minutes just practicing some of the different grammar skills. A day maybe, just fun grammar games that they can play online. Then you also have some reading practice every day. So there's some reading passages with questions. There's also language arts passages with questions that they answer. They have some information and then some questions to answer. And we have included the answer keys for those as well. So you will have the answer keys giving you the answers to those questions that they have for each week. We also included a different milestones experience online every week, a different video focusing on a different aspect. This first week is just kind of a general overview of the program. Everybody will be taking the milestones online for the summer retest and from now on with GCA. So it's really important that the students know how to use the tools that they have online, know how to answer the questions, know how to find the passages and find all the pages of the passages. So we also suggest spending some time each week going in and making sure that your student is comfortable with this online test. They can use the tools. They know where to find the tools. They know how to answer the questions. They know how how to end the test and how to make sure they've answered every question. And every week we focus on a different aspect of that Georgia Milestones experience so they can go in and practice that. The questions that you will see on the Milestones experience online, it's important to remember those are not grade specific. That is the band 3 through 5. Your student might not be able to answer that question, which is perfectly fine. That's not the focus of the Milestones Experience online website. The focus is solely to get comfortable using the test online, doing the test online, using the tools. So if they can't answer those questions, do not be worried about that. Every Friday, you will also have an asynchronous activity that you will do. So the first week is about informational writing. So it's kind of a game for kids, and then they have to ask and answer questions on IXL. So these are on every single week of the notebook. And then you have your checklist to kind of make sure that you do everything for every week. Really important this week is the summer school pretest. It's how we're going to see how much growth they made from the beginning of summer school to the end of summer school. We're also going to use the pretest to focus our instruction on what the students might really need. So just make sure you're using this notebook. There's a lot of helpful information in there. And if you have any questions, please, please, please email your summer school teacher and we will help you out. We will see you guys in class. Bye.